friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Phanteks Glacier series G4080 ASUS GPU block for ASUS STRIX and TUF RTX 4080. So friend, Phanteks announced the new Glacier G4080 ASUS GPU block designed specifically for the ASUS STRIX TUF RTX 4080 series cards. And friend, the block brings the ultimate cooling performance with unique water block features to build stunning water cooler system, and it provides a high performance water cooling solution custom designed for the latest ASUS GeForce RTX 4080 series cards. And friend, a transparent acrylic jet plate is positioned directly to the GPU die to ensure optimal heat transfer, and the backplate is included with all models to provide a smooth integrated look while providing additional cooling to the back of the PCB. And the full cover copper cold plate directly cools all memory and power delivery components on the PCB with high quality thermal pads. And it also introduced some new features such as new fitting location to allow for better tube routing even in the most compact cases, and the GPU support bracket is added to connect the water block to the rear PCI bracket so that the GPU is mounted more securely. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting price is 249.90 euros. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.